Happy Motivational Monday, everyone, where we take you through our Monday through Friday deep cleaning, decluttering, or just cleaning up specific areas for about a couple minutes each day, and what we're going to do each day to finish clearing off our to-do list. Day one this week is organizing underneath the bathroom cabinet. As you can see, there's a little bit of mud that got on there after the kids went out and played the other day, and we thought there was actually a leak under here, but we put the box under here to catch. There hasn't been a leak under here in several days. That was actually where something metal had gotten under there. Somebody had accidentally splashed water under here. So it actually made for a good opportunity because we were going to plan on doing that this week anyways. And it now gives us a chance to put this vinyl top liner non-skid underneath our cabinet before we put everything back. If you have little ones, I wouldn't recommend having medicine in your lower cabinet, but because you can hear it, this bathroom has a fan and a heater right up towards the top of this medicine cabinet. We can't keep liquid medicines in that cabinet anymore because it takes them out of the temp that they need to be for storage. So we keep them down there now because ours are old enough to not tamper with medicine, but if you have little ones, don't do that. Day two is clearing out my laundry cabinets. I don't really have to do anything at the top. There's nothing I can do with the stuff that's up there. I'm not gonna refill and open those yet until my third container is empty. That way I know that I've finished off the box that he already has open. So my goal is gonna be to start with this one on the left and clear out any of the yard stuff that we don't need, clear out and see if that even, I think that's bubble stuff, and see if that even works anymore, and clear out some more of this bubble stuff as well. Day 3, day 4, and day 5 are going to be working on this office. I'm pretty sure. I will double check on that. Day 3 is definitely, we are going to be working on this desk. Day 4 is the office, I think, and then day 5 is working on cleaning up the kids' craft stuff. They were given a lot of craft stuff over Christmas and for birthdays, so you can see it kind of like has overflowed from over here. So I'm going to work on trying to make a better flow through here for part of it. But my goal for today, for day 3, is just to be able to get to my desk and to get the desk cleared off and start working on it. I mean, you can see it, my calendar still says January, and at the filming of this, it's almost the end of March. So I don't get to get in here and use my desk a lot, but I mean, you do see my computer's on there for editing and stuff. So I'm going to work on getting that cleared off so I can work in here whenever I want or need to, and can also get in and out whenever I'm moving my computer in here. As I said yesterday, day 4 is also going to be office. Today we're going to work on just clearing every bit of the kids' craft stuff out, then neatly putting it back where it goes. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know in the comments below which one was the most motivational to you, and we'll see you next time.